Our bread is baked, my dears. Turned out wonderful. Look at that, smells amazing. When it cools down, I will cut it and show you the inside. I would be very happy if you like and share my video. If you haven't subscribed, please, my dears, subscribe. Welcome, today we are making bread. We had prepared the pre-ferment of the starter we produced, as you will see. You'll see. Now we are making bread with it. This is our yogurt starter. We prepared it, now we are baking the bread. Now that we made this pre-ferment, this one, you can store it in your fridge in a jar, in a container with a lid. Every 10 days you feed it with a couple of spoons of flour. When you want to bake, keep it open. You mix it with lukewarm water like this. This is the potato for our bread. Keeps the bread fresh and delays staling. It tastes very good. I kneaded the dough and now I'm leaving it to ferment. The cloths I used to wipe the oven. I dip them like this. There was a lip. When I press it like this, it catches fire better. You separate them like this. Well done. A little for good luck. Our dough has risen. Now, I will make pasta from the bread dough. We are making bread from our fresh starter. You pour the dough ball. Now, my dears, there was something I wanted to say this morning. We produced fresh starter, right? We kneaded the dough and used it all. We forgot. Don't worry about what to do, look. I'm putting this now. This is the same starter like this. While doing it, you can multiply it. And bake your bread. Let's say you poured it all and didn't save any. Take some from this and add it. When you do it like this, it will grow well. You make the same bread, it will be beautiful. I'm making two with poppy seeds. Let's fold it like this. So that the outer crust is thin. I do it once more like this. I thin it. Then it becomes better. Adjust the fire like this, so it burns more easily. If it gets air like this, it burns nicely. Once it burns a bit, I will place the thick woods on top. Let's stir it a little. Slowly like this. Come on. Whose is it? Take a look. Look when it's wiped well how nicely it cuts. It's beautiful. Thank God, thank God. Thank God. Our corners. They are baked. We took them out. We take them a bit before the breads. They look very nice. My hand is burning. Really, my hand is burning badly. Like this. Open it. It's really very hot, my dears. I can't even touch it. It turned out really beautiful. The first bread of our starter. Look at this from our yogurt starter. And the breads. We will show them while taking out. Since this one was full. It's bottom browned a lot. Our bread is baked, my dears. It turned out wonderful. Look at that, smells amazing. When it cools, I will cut it and show you the inside. I would be very happy if you like and share my video. If you haven't subscribed, please, my dears, subscribe. Stay safe, goodbye. Let's cut into our bread. This is also so beautiful. It's sliced thin. So soft. Look at that. Full of holes. Believe me, it smells wonderful with potatoes. Thank you so much for your comments. May God bless you. Stay safe, goodbye.